Good morning students, welcome back again in grade 10 mathematics chapter number 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, in our previous video we have already solved exercise 3.6 question number 1. Today I shall discuss about question number 2. Here in question number 2 there is a word problem. There are total 3 examples. Today I covered 2 word problem, first one and second one. And one most important thing, these 2 examples are very most important for final exam. Okay, many times these 2 word problem in a final exam they ask. Okay, now first of all I read out what is the first example. Look here, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of a rowing in still water and the speed of the current. Okay, here look, there are 2 most important words, downstream and upstream. Okay, first of all, what is the meaning of downstream and upstream? Here Ritu can row, okay, boat, any boat in a downstream 20 km in 2 hours. Suppose, look here, I write solution. There are 2 cases. First of all, downstream, and what is the second case? Upstream. Okay, we want to find the speed of rowing in a still water. Still water, that means thera hua pani. Okay, still water. And the speed of the current, that means wave. What is the speed of wave? Speed of wave. Water, speed of water. You can also, what is the meaning of current? Wave, like wave. We want to find the speed of wave as well as speed of still water. Boat, find her speed. That means speed of boat in still water. Okay, keep in your mind. Okay, now what is the downstream? Suppose there are some water like this. This is the water. Also, this type of example given in your textbook, illustration number 19, I think. Suppose this is the water and boat. This one is boat. Okay. Downstream, that means water. Direction of water is this way and boat is also go this way. That means same direction. Downstream, that means same direction. We can understand as the same direction. Okay. When upstream, that means if water go right side, then our boat go opposite direction. That means left side. Opposite direction. Okay, look. What happened here? If the direction of boat and the direction of water both are same, then what happened? Speed is this speed plus this speed. That means addition of both speed. Suppose the speed of boat, we consider the speed of boat is x and the speed of current is y. That means in a case downstream we add both this speed. Why? Because both are go on the same direction. That's why we add. Okay. While in this case upstream, our boat, suppose our boat go this way and current or wave like go this left side, then what happen? Speed of this one minus speed of this one. That means in upstream we can take x minus y. What is x minus y? This is the speed in boat in upstream. Okay, this is the speed of boat in a downstream. Got it, everyone? Again I repeat, in general downstream that means x plus y, addition of both speed, and upstream that means subtraction of both speed, that means x minus y. Okay, now let's start. What happened here? First of all, we find the speed of still water and the current. Therefore I consider let the speed of boat, the speed of boat in still water, is equal to x kilometer per hour. Okay, and what is the second our assumption? Current, speed of current. Also let speed of current is equal to y kilometer per hour. And what is given there? Also be given 20 kilometer in 2 hours. Okay, in the downstream distance given 20 kilometer and time given 2 hours. So I write time taken cover. Okay, I write here upstream time, downstream. Okay, keep in your mind x plus y and x minus y. Now therefore time taken to cover 20 kilometer in 2 hours is equal to, okay, we consider in a downstream. What happened? Okay, or you can write here time taken to cover 20 kilometer in downstream is equal to 2 hours, and time taken to cover, now this time how many kilometer? 4 kilometer. 4 kilometer in upstream is equal to again 2 hours. Okay, now I write speed of a boat in downstream. Okay, also speed of a boat in downstream is equal to x plus y kilometer per hour. We assume that x plus y. Now what is our formula? We want to find the speed. Therefore, as we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. Now put this value. What is the distance? Distance is 20. And what is the time? Time is 2 hours. That means distance is 20, time is 2 hours. And what is the speed? Speed is x plus y. That means 2 tens are 20. X plus y is equal to 10. Okay. Now similar way we can write the speed of boat in the upstream is x minus y. Therefore x minus y is equal to Again, okay, right here. Now this is not our requirement. Also, speed of in downstream, speed of boat in upstream is equal to x minus y kilometer per hour. Now put this value in this formula. Speed is equal to distance. What is the distance? In second condition, our distance is 4 km and time is 2 hours. 2 2s are 4. That means x minus y is equal to 2. Now this is our second equation and this is our first equation. Now we solve these two equations by elimination method and we have x and y. Therefore, I have arranged here by equation 1 and 1. What is the 1? X plus y is 10 and x minus y is equal to 2. This is the second equation. Okay, here cancel. 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 6. Now put x is equal to 6 here. What happened? 6 minus 2 is equal to y. That means 4 is equal to y. That means the speed of a boat in water 6 km per hour and the speed of current is equal to 4 km per hour. Okay? Look clearly. I hope you all have understood. Again I repeat, in this example, what is the main thing? Speed in a downstream is x plus y, okay, and in a upstream x minus y. And these two are already given. Distance 20 km per 2 hour and distance 4 km per 2 hour. There are two equations, mini two equations. After solving that, we have with the value of x and y. Okay. Okay, now look, second example. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. Okay. This is a work and time work problem. Okay, in your previous standard you have already learned what is a question about work and time. Okay, first of all, what is our target? We want to find how many days, number of days to finish this embroidery work for women and as well as men. So first of all I consider. Actually, I don't know how many days 2 women and 5 men together work embroidery in 4 days. But single woman, how many time we find out. So I first of all consider number of days taken by one woman. So let the number of days taken by one woman to finish work is equal to x. Okay, I consider the number of days taken by one woman to finish her work is equal to x, and the number of days taken by one woman to finish work is equal to y days. Here day. Okay. This is our final estimation. Our target. We want to find the x and y. Therefore, we write per day work is equal to 1 upon x for a woman, and per day work for a man. This is for woman, and per day work is equal to 1 upon y. This is for man. Okay. Now we apply these two conditions on these two variables. What happened? Here there are two cases, so I write case 1. Okay. 2 women and 5 men. Women. So I write woman for W for women and 5 men. That means 5 men. Together finish her work 4 days. That means 4. Okay. Now put these two values here. For woman 1 upon x, for man 1 upon y. That means 2 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 5. Because this is a 4 days work, I convert every step in a single day. That means 2 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 1 upon 4. This is the equation number 1. Now what is the case 2? Case 2. Now this time 3 women and 6 men. That means 3 women and 6 men, and finish together how many days? In a 3 days. Okay. Now put these two values here. 3 into 1 upon x plus 6 into 1 upon y is equal to 1/3. That means 3 upon x plus 6 upon y is equal to 1/3. This is our second equation. Okay. Now in our previous video, exercise 3.6, question number 1, we solve this type of equation by reducing thing. So that is up to you. Solve these two equations. Okay. First of all, you have to suppose 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b, and make a simple linear form these two equations. After making a linear form, you have to solve by elimination method. You get x and y. Here I directly write answer. X is equal to 18 and y is equal to 36 days. Woman take 18 days and man take 36 days. Okay. Practice again and again these two word problem, because these two word problem are very most important for final exam. Okay. I hope you all have understood. Even though if you have any doubt, you can ask me in our live session. Till then, have a good day. Take care. Thank you very much.